With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, let us have a look at the question first of all. So the question here is of paragraph type, which says that ozone is an unstable dark blue diamagnetic gas. Okay, it absorbs strongly the UV radiation, thus protecting the people on the earth from harmful UV radiation from the sun. Okay, so as we all know that we have ozone layer just above our atmosphere, right, and which protect us from the UV radiation, right, and this ozone is unstable and it is dark blue in color and also it is diamagnetic. They are also saying that use of chlorofluorocarbon, that is CFC, in aerosols and refrigerators and their subsequent escape into the atmosphere is blamed for making holes in the ozone layer, right? So we also know that there is a depletion in ozone, right, just because of chlorofluorocarbon, that is CFC, that comes from aerosols and refrigerators, right? And they are adding to it that yes, ozone acts as a strong oxidizing agent in acidic and alkaline medium, right? For this property, ozone is used as germicides and disinfectant for sterilizing water and improving the atmosphere of crowded places, right? So it also acts as a very good oxidizing agent in acidic and alkaline medium, right? And due to this property, it kills germs and it is used as disinfectant for sterilizing water, right, to making water free of germs, that is called sterilizing. And also it somehow it improves the atmosphere in the crowded places, right? So these are the uses of ozone. So this is how ozone is helpful for us, right? Just by reading this paragraph, we can try and understand this. Now they're asking a question based on this particular paragraph, which says that which of the following statement is correct. Okay, so we need to find that out of 4 statements that have been given here, which statement is correct for ozone, right? So let us read them one by one. So the first statement says that the dark blue color of ozone is due to the intense absorption of green light. Now this particular statement is an incorrect statement. Why? Because the dark blue color of ozone is not because of the absorption of green light, but because of the absorption of red light, okay, from the sun ray, right? It absorbs the red light frequency, and in return it gives the complementary color, that is the blue color, right? Moving on, the next statement says that oxides of nitrogen and halogens can not damage O3 layer. Now this statement is also very wrong. Why? Because oxides of nitrogen and halogens can damage O3 layer, right? In fact, halogen is the main one of the main reasons of depletion of ozone layer, right? As we have already seen in the paragraph, that is chlorofluorocarbon, right? So this statement is incorrect statement. So to verify it more, let me just write down. So the first statement was false. Okay, the second statement is also a false statement, and the reason is that if we take the oxides of nitrogen, that is NO2, it reacts with O3 to give us N2O5 and oxygen gas. So as we can see here that O3 is converted into O2, right, with the application of oxides of with the oxide of a nitrogen, that is nitrogen dioxide. Okay, so here we can see that depletion is possible. Okay, now similarly chlorofluorocarbon, right, as given in the paragraph also. So this is chlorofluorocarbon. Let me just draw the structure of it. Okay, and on the application of UV radiation, that is sunlight, what happens? It gives a free radical, that is chlorine radical, right? So this chlorine radical is nothing but a halogen free radical, and this chlorine, it reacts with O3, right, to form another radical, that is ClO radical, and this is something that we get, right? So it readily destroys the O3 layer, right? And this is a chain reaction. So one chlorofluorocarbon is capable of is capable of the destruction of many O3 molecules, right? So chlorofluorocarbon is really harmful for our ozone layer. So this statement becomes false. Now the next statement says that ozone oxidizes dry iodine to I2O9. Okay, so let us find out the reaction. So this statement is also false. First of all, how we can say that? So I2, right, iodine, that is dry, on reaction with O3 gives us I4O9 and O2, right? So we get I4O9 as a compound, not I2O9. Okay, so this becomes a false statement. And the last but not the least says that ozone forms orange colored KO3 with potassium hydroxide, right? So this particular statement is a true statement. How can we say that? So this is a true statement, right? So let's take O3 and let's try and react with KOH, that is potassium hydroxide, right? What do we get? We get KO3 as a compound, then we get O2, right? So 5 moles of O2, and H2O is something that we get, right? Now this KO3 is orange in color, right? And by saying this, having said that, I can now say that the last statement is the only correct statement here. Okay, so this is how we can try and solve this question. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.